Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, I'm Ankita.
Hi, I'm Sneha.
Hi, I'm Chi.
And we are
Team Mask.
We began our journey with the marshmallow challenge in the first week. So we had to build a freestanding marshmallow on some spaghetti sticks. One of the hardest challenges that I have ever done, and I guess the team has ever done. We were very bad. We couldn't get one up on time, but we did try, and that was one of the first challenges we did as a team together.
After Marshmallow Challenge, we decided to go for a team outing to get to know each other. We all have ideas about what we should do other than dinner or coffee. We want to do something fun.
Finally, we all decided to go for laser tag and bowling as we were all new to that. Obviously, we sucked at bowling, but laser tag was pretty good.
In that week, we also had to decide our team name. It was difficult as we had no idea about our project. After lots of discussion and research, we decided the Team Mask, as it is just made up of the first letter of our names.
After deciding the scope of a project, we started working towards deciding the core functionality. We had to design the best system while keeping developer and database skill set of our team in mind.
So once we decided on our project and the core functionalities of our project, we needed to acquire data and we needed to get it from the open data source. It was one of the hardest things that we had to do because the scope of the project can be anything. However, it's limited based on the database that we get. So we also needed to know what kind of data sets are available for us within the state of Victoria by being provided by the Victorian government. We also needed to know the APIs that we could access, and we also needed to know if the licenses and the software were usable, if you could use them in our project. So that was one of the important and hardest things that we had to do. We spent around a week on that. However, we overcame that difficulty. We found all the data sets that we needed to include in our website, and we gathered the data and we could implement them successfully in our website.
We asked ourselves this question: what is the so what factor in our project?
We looked at the statistics provided by Safer Australia on truck accidents that occur within Victoria, and it was baffling to find that almost 80% of collisions involve a heavy vehicle. We wanted to do something about this. It was the problem area that we wanted to tackle as a team. So we wanted to develop a system that will help people, especially the truck drivers, navigate their way through bridges. Challenges that we encountered were mostly on the database and the development side. So Ankita and I handled most of the database and the data cleaning. Mike and Chi handled most of the programming of our website. So the database that we got from Victorian government was mostly in the form of an Excel sheet. And we had approximately 100,000 rows in each of the database that was relevant to our project, and the cleaning of the database was an entirely another level of difficulty that we never encountered before.
We decided to use Microsoft Azure platform to store our data, which was very challenging operation because the data sets we got from Victorian government website was somewhat unstructured. We had to perform data cleaning operation, which was really very time consuming. but we successfully completed it and could combine the relevant information.
In the programming side, there were no major technical challenges, but I think we liked time management and programming skills. However, we were aware that we are on the learning curve.
As the project went on, we improved our time management and programming skills, and we successfully developed our project.
Actually, I am a beginner in programming. I have some knowledge in Java and JavaScript, but I don't have enough experience to build the whole website, what we are aiming for. Before the project, I only have limited knowledge in Java and JavaScript. Thanks to the project, now I'm good at HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java EE.
I think the biggest challenge for me was to learn the new technique and apply to our project. Before the project, I just know foundation of Java. I have no experience building a website. After the project, I'm confident to build a website using Java, JavaScript, and so on.
I had worked sometime outside the company in an organization. I did not have enough skills that helped me in the real world. The interactions with the industry mentors and the project and the agile development and agile methodologies, that was a very informative.
Before doing this project, I worked in a team environment where everyone was assigned different projects, so that wasn't actually teamwork. This was my first encounter with everyone working on the same project together, so I learned working in a team here. Other than this, the major thing I learned was Microsoft Azure SQL, the technical thing. I worked on Oracle database before, but I had no experience with any other database, so I learned one more.
I was the team leader for 2 delivery cycles on our project, and being the team leader is not an easy job, obviously, but you have to keep track of people, you have to push people forward beyond their own expectations, and you have to push them beyond their comfort zones, which is not an easy task to do. However, you have to do it for the sake of your project, because the team relies on the team leader to be efficient and effective. So that is a hard and really difficult task, to motivate people, to push them beyond their own limitations and to get results out of them. This was a very important and effective and efficient strategy plan, or a learning journey that I have gone through, and this is one important task, or this is one important lesson that will stay with me throughout my life, and this is something that I can implement in my professional life in the future to push, or to not just push, but to implement, to get the best out of people.
I will took the responsibility from Sneha. After the cycle 1, we was left behind the schedule. I have to push the team to performance better.
we have achieved a lot in this unit, and mostly we got friends for life. That's something we can cherish throughout all the time. Anyway, I guess